Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. A lot of you are here because you're encountering this error while running your Python script. It says Python command not found. So there are two fixes to this issue, and this is the first video. I'll make reference to the second video that solves this problem. That if this video does not solve your problem, please check out the second video, which I would link in the description below. So to fix this issue, go to your extensions tab and search code runner. So if you have this extension already installed, you don't need to reinstall it, just keep watching. And if you don't have this extension, install this extension and see if it fixes your issue. If it does not, please keep watching this video. So you navigate to the extension settings. Let me bring this down. You navigate to your extension settings and then you search code runner executor. This one that says code runner executor map, yeah, you click on editing settings.json. Then if you locate this line, the line that has Python. If you have Python 2 installed on your computer, you change this to Python 2. If you have Python 3 installed on your computer, you change this to Python 3. So I have Python 3 installed, so I'll go ahead and save this file, and then I'll run my script again to see if it works. Also, so it works perfectly fine. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up to support me. And if this video does not fix your issue, kindly watch the second video, which I'll link in the description below. Thank you.